if you have a property sa layo, pangit na ang location. Wala kay choice kundi mo palit ang property somewhere farther.
Sir, how can you say if the property is in a good location?
Well, sa real estate, it's always location, location, location. Kaya lang, relative kasi ang location, no? If you really want a good location, meaning doon sa downtown, doon sa mga malls, doon sa place of business, doon sa mga commercial establishments, but you have to pay for the price for it, no? But it doesn't mean naman that if you have a property sa layo, pangit na ang location. Well, if you only have so much budget, wala kay choice kundi mo palit ang property somewhere farther. Kaya lang, it can still be a good location if it is accessible. Ibig sabihin, na mode of transportation, na jeep, na taxi, na bus. Ikaduha, na mga utilities. There is electricity, there is water, there is internet. Labaw na karon nga digital age na to. So very critical, very important ng Wi-Fi connection or internet connection. So I think, so long as you have those basic necessities, that can still be a good location. And of course, nagya po yung mga commercial establishments nearby, bisan layo siya nga sa downtown.
If you're still looking for a property in downtown, check this corporate housing lot along the road with a wide frontage area here in the Mosa, Davao City. Just hit me a message and I will send the full details of it. Follow me for more.